When it comes to condiments, hot honey is all the rage these days, and for good reason. It is a sweet and spicy condiment that adds the perfect kick to just about anything you put it in. Let me show you how to make some and gift it to that foodie in your life. We're first going to add honey and a pinch of salt along with red pepper flakes to a small saucepan. We're going to let that simmer on low until the salt is completely dissolved and the red pepper flakes infuse the honey. Once it starts to come to a simmer, we're going to turn down the heat and add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Give it a mix. Set it aside and let it cool, and that is it. You've got delicious hot honey that goes great on just about anything. And yes, it makes the perfect Christmas gift for that foodie in your life. I purchased these cute little jars from Hobby Lobby, and then I bought some ribbon and some trinkets from Walmart. And you guys, the gift turned out perfect. It not only tastes delicious, but it's also beautifully packaged. I hope you guys decide to give this DIY a try.